After 2 days of testimony today, a judge found Jose Ibarra guilty for the murder of Laken Riley. The judge sentencing Ibarra to life without the possibility of parole. Fox 5's Kim Leffler was in the courtroom today. Kim, it was quite the emotional moment when we finally heard from the family and friends of Laken Riley.
Yeah, Laken Riley's parents, sister, roommates, and friends read heartbreaking statements to the judge, calling Jose Ibarra a monster and asking him to never let him out of prison.
This sick, twisted, and evil coward showed no regard for Laken or human life. We are asking that same be done to him.
I am haunted by the thought of the fear she must have felt in those final moments, and it breaks my heart knowing that she suffered.
Laken Riley's friends and family made it clear they want Jose Ibarra to pay for brutally ending her life.
Jose Antonio Ibarra has completely and utterly ruined my life, and I can only hope and pray that he receives a sentence that ruins his.
Today, I plead with this court to protect the world from this truly evil person by sentencing him to prison for life without the possibility of parole for any reason, so that he could never have the opportunity to do this to anyone else.
Judge H. Patrick Haggard gave Ibarra the maximum sentence, life without parole, after finding him guilty of all 10 charges against him, including malice murder and aggravated assault with intent to rape, while Riley ran on UGA's campus in February. This comes after Ibarra waived his right to a jury trial. He showed no emotion as Judge Haggard announced the verdict.
I'm required to set aside my emotions. That's the same thing that we tell jurors. That's the way I have to approach this. And I did.
Judge Haggard told Riley's family he hopes happy memories of Riley will always live on in their hearts. But it's clear to see she'll be deeply missed by everyone who loved her.
I hope this sentencing sets a precedent so it stops with Laken and fails to happen to anyone again.
Now, Judge Haggard came to his decisions quickly today, delivering the verdict after a 15-minute recess following closing arguments and then deciding on the sentence right away. But one of the most difficult parts of the sentencing phase of this trial was when the state showed body camera video of the moment Riley's family learned she had been killed, and the state said they wanted to do so to show the impact her death has had on her family. And they also spoke about the impact this case has had on the entire Athens community. Live this afternoon in Athens, Kim Leffler, Fox 5 News.
And Kim, really quickly, did Jose Ibarra address the court, address the family in any way, showing any, I know he didn't show emotion, did he express any?
He did not. He showed no emotion in his face, and he also didn't say anything today in court. Yeah. Christine.
Truly an emotional trial for the family. Hopefully this begins a level of healing for them. Kim, thanks so much. Well, this afternoon, Georgia Governor Brian Kemp and President-elect Donald Trump have reacted to the guilty verdict. Governor Kemp posting a statement on X saying, though we are glad justice has been delivered on behalf of Laken Riley, we continue to mourn her loss with her family and friends. The information revealed in this trial was heartbreaking, and we applaud the bravery of Laken's loved ones for reliving that horrible day to ensure her killer faced the consequences of his senseless actions. President-elect Trump posting also on Twitter or X saying, although the pain and heartbreak will last forever, hopefully this can help bring peace and closure to her wonderful family who fought for justice and to ensure other families don't go through what they have. It is time to secure our border, he goes on to say, so nothing like this happens again.